Hi guys, welcome in and welcome back to my channel, home of Christy T. Today I will be showing you how to transform my balcony into this beautiful oasis, so let's get started. We all remember this beautiful balcony transformation that I completed in 2021, and if you haven't, please go check out that video linked above. But let's just say that my balcony doesn't look like that anymore. In fact, it was an absolute shambles prior to this clip, and this was after some cleaning up of the balcony. And so today I'm going to be showing you how I'm transforming my balcony just for a quick little gathering that we're having at our home. And this is easy and it'll be renter friendly. Alright, so hi guys, if it wasn't obvious already, we are cleaning off my balcony today. Particularly, we are doing a quick little easy balcony makeover. One, because if you saw my last video, which by this time I don't know where it falls in this line, but you saw that I said that my balcony was in shambles, which it was. I'll insert some clips of what it was looking like prior to today. So all of that is cleaned out. My husband so thankfully picked up all the rocks out of the drain for me, and now I'm at the point of just like, I want to do something because we're having a little small gathering and we want to make the balcony look nice. And by we, I mean me. So at the current moment, I have just sprayed it for spiders because though we don't get bugs in our house, we do get a lot of spiders on our balconies, unfortunately. So I just sprayed for all the spiders and was knocking down all of the cobwebs, and now I'm trying to build up the courage to go back outside and remove the rest of the things that need to be removed, which are just the lights, and then move some of the things around to accommodate the new things that I want to put outside. Well, they're not new, they're things I already have, which is something you will learn about this clip and about this video. This is a super easy, super cheap balcony makeover. I think the only thing I've purchased for this for today is a new bamboo screen, because my old one was covered in mold, number one, because of the weather throughout the past couple of years. And then also there was a lovely bird's nest that I found while removing that. So yeah. Let's go be courageous and not be afraid of spiders and clean up the balcony. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. I believe we can. Needless to say, I put on my big girl pants and I got to finish cleaning the balcony even though there were spiders. What you see me doing here is taking hot water and pouring it down our drain. Because of where we live and how we live in this high-rise or mid-rise apartment, our drainage just kind of goes down with everything else, and we can't like pour water directly off our balcony. However, to prevent any like mold and like kind of get some of that mold like flush down the drainage, I took several pictures of hot water, poured them down my drain, and that just kind of helped to flush any nastiness that was sitting in our drain and under the rocks that were previously there. Alright, so some of you may remember from the first balcony makeover, if I can find the clips, I'll insert them here, that I used bamboo reed pole wrap. So I used the shorter version last time, but I decided to go in with the taller version this time. It gives a little bit more privacy while still looking nice. So I picked up this 176 centimeters by 180 centimeters from Makeover. It comes in different lengths, and this was only 900 yen, so about $7-8 US. So this is why I said this is very affordable to use. Now, is it technically weather resistant? It held up pretty well, but as you know, in Japan, or if you don't know, we get a lot of rain and humidity and all that stuff. So for it to hold up as long as it did, I'm super proud of it. But just for this mini transformation, I'll be using this one roll to replace that for my little party that I'm having. And so hopefully this is long enough. If not, we'll make it work. If anything, if I were to cut it, I'd cut it to about here because I still want to be able to enjoy the view from my balcony. I just want a little bit more privacy, and the shorter one was nice, but it just didn't work out very well. So we're gonna go ahead and put this up really quick. And so I could have easily used 2 of these packs of rolls. However, we are moving soon, so it was only important for the event that we were having that day, honestly. So if you decide to do this project, I would suggest getting 2 of these rolls to cover the balcony length. And honestly, I would have taken this around my entire balcony if I wanted to. Like if I had done this in the beginning, in the first balcony makeover, I would have definitely used 2 of these or more to wrap my entire balcony, just kind of give it that very much like bohemian and just like Mediterranean style feel to the whole balcony itself. But you will see that here it was definitely more than tall enough, and honestly I didn't end up cutting this down. You can obviously do that according to your desired preference, but I did not do that, and it really turned out perfectly. Only thing is, like I said, it was just not long enough to cover the entire railing that is currently there. So if you are here in Iwakuni and are moving to Iwakuni and want to find a way to style your home and or your balcony or any of the spaces within your home, I highly recommend that you check out my website, sincerelyhomedesigns.com. I offer a variety of in-person and virtual interior design services that will be perfect to help you achieve your desired space on any kind of budget. So once again, that's sincerelyhomedesigns.com, and let's get back to our project. So now it's time for the fun part, which is decorating. I am going to go ahead and lay down my rug. Now, once again, I didn't buy anything extra for this project except the bamboo reeds wall panel thing itself. I'm using things from my home, therefore shopping my home, and I did already have the faux grass as well. If you would like to purchase this grass, if you live in Iwakuni, you can easily pick this up from your local NAFCO. They sell it in rolls. If you live in a tower just like me, then you will need at least 2 of these rolls to complete your balcony. Honestly, you'll have to definitely do some cutting, but it was no problem to cut it. And once I had this rug all positioned, I really was inspired to create a little bit of a DIY, and I remembered I had a little bit of this bamboo reed paneling left, so let me show you what I made. So for this project, you will only need a few tools and supplies, and you will need 2 of these wooden rings according to your desired dimensions. And you will also be needing this bamboo wooden reed. Now I did pick this one up from Daiso, and they sell it in shorter, smaller rolls. I picked up 2 of these because I wasn't sure if it would be enough, but 2 rolls was perfect for the dimensions of my hoops. All the details will be linked down below for you guys, as well as links if you'd like to purchase these items on Amazon as well. And then you will also be needing a standard hot glue gun of your choice. I am using the one that I always use, which is this Gorilla Glue one, which is perfect for all types of materials. And now we can go ahead and start our project. Now this project is very simple and perfect for beginners, and it is very much self-explanatory, but I will tell you what I did to achieve this, which is first you're going to go ahead and lay your bamboo reed wrap out flat, and then I'm applying the hot glue onto the wooden ring itself. It just made more sense to attach it this way than applying the hot glue to the reeds, because the reeds are spaced and therefore the glue would just kind of sink through. However, this was easier and allowed for better attachment of the wooden rings to the bamboo reed wrap. Now, after applying some firm pressure to that first section, you are going to continue this same process around your entire hoop until you have attached the entire reeds to the hoop itself. And then you're going to repeat this step on the bottom hoop, doing the same process. And like I said, I did end up needing 2 of these rolls to complete the circle, but this will all depend on the size circles that you decide to choose for your project. And honestly, just my only recommendation is don't burn yourself. Please be careful and work slowly and work in small sections so that your glue doesn't dry and you can get a nice stretch on the bamboo wood reeds itself. Once you're done, you will be left with something like this. And this project, like I said, is super easy, and I'm ready to put it on my balcony. Alright, so this is our little basket that we just made. As you can see, it goes straight through. There's no bottom to it, but this is a quick little DIY that you can do if you're looking to just kind of have a little cover up for your planter if your planter isn't the prettiest. But I'm just going to be using this because all of my other flower pots are currently filled with my plants, and I just want something to cover my faux plant to go on the balcony. And then yeah, so it turned out really cute. You can definitely wrap this in multiple different things, even spray paint it if you want it, but let's just go ahead and put this out on the balcony. So like I said, now it was time for sure for decorating, and the first furniture piece I'm adding out here is this shelf. If you have been following me for a while, you know this shelf is from my laundry room makeover. If you haven't watched that video, I will leave it linked up above. This was an easy Daiso DIY project, and everything you need to make this project you can find at Daiso. If you head over to that video, you will find all the details you need to make this easy DIY shelf. I'm also going ahead and adding out our cute little DIY basket we just made / planter cover. Once again, a Daiso DIY. I love Daiso DIYs. Comment down below if you've done any Daiso DIYs, because just why not? There's so many cool things you can do with dollar store and Daiso DIYs. Now I am also going to go ahead and add up my string lights. I have had these string lights for forever. They were in my first balcony makeover, and I will not unfortunately be taking these with us. I will be getting rid of these. But they do still work perfectly, and they were great for outdoors because they are plastic bulbs. Yes, the glass is inside the plastic, so therefore they are shatterproof. So win-win there. I will be linking all the things that I can down below so that you guys can get them for yourself. And let's just see what else we can do on this amazing balcony makeover. Alright guys, so let's finish styling up this balcony, and I will say that if you are liking this video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below and share it with your friends, as this continues to let YouTube know that my channel is relevant and that you guys are enjoying this kind of content that I'm putting out. I have been thoroughly enjoying all the DIYs that I've been doing for you guys recently, and I'm just so excited with what's to come in our next new place and all the DIYs I will get to do for you guys there. So let's go ahead and finish up this balcony. I am adding a place setting for 2 here. However, we were having more than 2 people over at our house for this day, but it just really kind of created a nice aesthetic. And these wine glasses are plastic. These are some of my favorite wine glasses. I will leave these linked down below, and I also just added a few wine bottles and just a few things just kind of top off the space and give it a little bit of extra pizzazz, and this is how it turned out. I am so in love with how this final reveal turned out. This was honestly so bittersweet that this was the last time I would get to create something so beautiful in our home, to showcase our home and its entire beauty before we get to leave. It has been such a joy creating designs and inspiring you guys here in Iwakuni and all over the world, honestly, to do amazing things in your rental apartments. And I'm so excited to see what will come in our next place and all of the DIYs I will get to create for you guys. And I'm so happy that this space really just came to life at nighttime with all of the lights, glasses of wine going around, and candles being lit. I'm so excited with how this turned out, and I hope you guys love this as well. I will see you guys in next week's video. Don't forget to comment if you had any questions or would do anything differently. See you guys next week. Bye.